Imalsha's Research Guide. Research guidance for students and professionals.
Hi everyone, you are watching Imalsha's Research Guide. This is the very first episodes of the NVivo for Data Analysis series. Whether you are a student, researcher or academic, understanding NVivo is the first big steps towards doing professional qualitative data analysis. In this series, I'll take you step by step from very basic to advanced techniques so that you can confidently use NVivo for your research project. Let's get started.
What is NVivo? Why do researchers love it?
So what exactly is NVivo? NVivo is a qualitative data analysis software, also known as a QDO software. It helps you collect, organize and analyze different kind of data. Not just text, but also images, audio, video and even social media contents. You can import almost any type of material. Rich text and plain text document, spreadsheets, audio files, videos, photos, web pages and social media data. Once all your materials are inside NVivo, you can cut, sort and analyze them systematically to identify themes, relationships and patterns. Here's why NVivo is a game changer for anyone doing research. At first, NVivo was mainly made for qualitative social research, things like interviews, focus groups or analyzing text, but now it can do so much more. One of the best things about NVivo is how it connects with other softwares. This makes your research lives way easier because you can bring in all kind of data into one place. For example, you can bring in Word documents and Excel file like reports, interview, transcripts or spreadsheets. If you use SPSS, NVivo can connect with it so you can combine your numbers with your qualitative data. For literature reviews, it works with tools like EndNote, Zotero or Refer. You can link all your reference directly. You can even grab data from the web. NVivo has a plugin called Capture that lets you bring in web pages and social media contents from browsers like Chrome or Edge. And yes, it can connect with social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Evernote or OneNote. So if you want to analyze post comments or discussion, it is all possible. Basically, NVivo let you gather data from all these sources and analyze everything in one place. No switching between programs, no copying and pasting, everything is connected, which make research much faster and smarter. Here's the best part about NVivo. It doesn't keep just your data safe, it actually helps you understand it. For example, you can spot patterns or recurring ideas in your interviews like what keeps coming up across different people. Compare themes between participants or groups so you can see similarities and difference clearly. Create visuals, charts, maps, word clouds, anything that help you see your data in a clear way. And finally, you can export everything into a neat, organized report that's ready for your thesis or paper. That's why NVivo is trusted all over the world in universities, research institutes, NGOs, even government organizations. It makes qualitative research structured, transparent, and way more efficient. Honestly, if you are doing serious research, NVivo is a game changer.
Alright everyone, that brings us to the end of episode 1 of NVivo for data analysis. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video, it really supports the channel and helps more researchers find it. Now I'd really love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and share your experience. Have you used NVivo before, or are you just getting started? What kind of research are you doing right now? And what challenges or problems have you faced while using NVivo, maybe with coding, organizing data, or learning the tools? Your experiences and questions might actually help others who are watching this series too, so feel free to share openly. And if you think this video could help your classmates, research partners, or anyone working on a thesis, go ahead and share it with them too. Don't forget to subscribe to Imalsha's Research Guide, because in episode 2, we'll talk about which NVivo version is right for you. That episode will help you figure out which version fits your research needs best. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, stay curious and happy researching.
Stay tuned with Imalsha's Research Guide.